it will rise because price depends on demand, and demand is very high.
Evgeniya, thank you very much for joining Dukascopy TV today. It's an absolute pleasure. And to start off with today, a really interesting topic. Can you give us some more details about the rise of blockchain, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrencies?
Well, for sure. Hello, everyone. So I will start with that in 2008, at the dawn of the global crisis, just as Lehman Brothers lay dying, a fully digital asset based on the blockchain technology by Bitcoin was born. So at the first, Bitcoin was adopted mainly by a computer geek and by some people who would like to do non-legal activities, such as drug dealers. But later on, speculators joined the game, and now Bitcoin is all over the place. It is on TV, it is on media, it is on blogs, on all over the place. And now investors divided into those who consider it as a financial pyramid and those who believe that the future belongs to digital money. In any case, there is no one left behind, and our company, BitBroker, is also in the game.
So is there a real demand from the market for cryptocurrency?
Well, to be honest, nowadays demand for cryptocurrency is already many times higher than its supply, and it continues to grow rapidly. So there are a few factors that make this demand. First of all, it's a hype of mass hysteria. It's like hardly a day goes by without some news or some hot story in the media, on TV, according to Bitcoin. Secondly, Bitcoin is considered as means of saving, especially in some Asian countries where Bitcoins are bought not only by professional investors, but also by some retired people, by some students, by housewives, etc. And the same is in Latin America, in countries such as Argentina and Peru, where national currencies in different times were twice deflated. So people considering Bitcoin as a means of savings. And thirdly, third factor that make this great demand is because of the government. So nowadays, government have become interested in cryptocurrency. For example, here in Russia, President Putin discussed the vital problems of Ethereum with the chairman of National Bank, and they want to create a crypto ruble. The same, let's say, in Ukraine, the National Bank of Ukraine is preparing to release an electronic version of hryvnia. For example, in Japan, they already recognize Bitcoin as an official mean of payment on par with the yen. And starting from the next month, 16,000 stores and outlets will accept Bitcoins as a mean of payments. So, of course, the demand for cryptocurrency is very high right now.
Moving on, let's talk about liquidity. What is cryptocurrency liquidity?
Well, if we will speak about its general definition, it's an opportunity to buy and sell digital assets in desired amounts. So there are about 150 exchanges engaged in cryptocurrency trading, while only the first 50 have decent volumes. And it means that there is no competition, no incentive to improve services and trading conditions, while the demand to trade currency is very high. That's why 2 months ago we launched new products related to cryptocurrency, and now BitBroker started to create not only forex brokers, but also cryptocurrency brokers and cryptocurrency exchange from the scratch. So, for example, if someone will come to us with the idea to create own brokerage business, we will suggest to open cryptocurrency exchange right now because the demand, as I said, is very high.
So, Joe, finally, for kind of existing FX and CFD brokers, is it worth connecting to cryptocurrency liquidity and offering some cryptocurrency trading?
Well, sure, and there's no doubt about it because, well, there is two key reasons for that. For example, first one is fantastic popularity and growth potential. So cryptocurrency is characterized by deep corrections and high volatility. And yet in next few years, I will it will rise because price depends on demand, and demand is very high. And the second reason is great commissions and lack of competition, because the foreign exchanges market is oversaturated and brokers have to compete at the price level, hence the narrow spreads and low commissions. And among 15 largest exchanges, the commission varies from 0.2% to 0.5% of the volume traded. So this means that at the medium-sized exchange with an average volume, let's say in $500 million per day, this exchange will earn minimum 1 million commission. So as you see, the commissions is very high. So this market will remain very attractive for a long time, even though new players will emerge soon and competition will grow and commission will eventually decrease. But for now, it is totally, it is very good for Forex and CFD brokers to connect cryptocurrency liquidity and give their traders possibility to trade on cryptocurrency.
Fascinating stuff. Evgeniya, thank you so much for speaking with us today. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Okay, thank you so much.
And thank you for watching. And if you'd like to find out more and see more videos like this, please head over to dukascopy.tv.